Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I am going to be unboxing this new but very dusty. It arrived all dusty. I really don't know what's up with that. I've never received a box more dusty than this. So I don't know how I feel about that. If it's been collecting dust on some shelf somewhere for that long, if this is going to be a great keyboard. But nevertheless, it's by a company called Perixx. We're going to get it out of the box. I have my Epic unboxing knife on standby here. I doubt that we'll need to use it because I didn't see too many little plastic azentas holding this thing together. So yeah, without further ado, let's take it out of the box. All right, so before I actually pull this thing out of the box, let's just take a very quick look at the packaging. So it does support Bluetooth 4.0, which I believe is the latest standard for Bluetooth. It's got seven configurable hotkeys, an ergonomic design, which is really the reason that I bought it. I have a similar Microsoft keyboard that the B key, it keeps getting stuck. So I have a lot of in my documents. I'm a technical writer during the day, and you can't have a B key getting stuck all the time. That's no bueno. And so, yeah, so it is wireless. I believe there's going to be a little USB gazenta in here to use if you want to use it wirelessly, as opposed to pairing it via Bluetooth. Generally speaking, I've had better luck using the wireless USB than I have using Bluetooth, which tends to be, sometimes it can be unresponsive. I'm a very fast typer, so that's not good when that happens. Design in Germany, hey, you know, those Germans can design some pretty cool stuff, cars and keyboards included apparently. And then, so just a quick flip around the back here. Hold on, I need to put my readers on. Yeah, so pretty much everything that I've said in multiple languages. In fact, looks like we have 8 different languages here. But so wireless dual mode, 2.4 gigahertz network. So which is that's sort of key. So if you have a 5 gigahertz network currently set up in your home, you'll probably have to change it to 2.4 in order to get this thing to work wirelessly, I think. Actually, leave a comment below if you know about that and I'm incorrect in thinking that. It will work on both Windows and Mac. Up to 10 meters, that's actually a considerable distance for receiving, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually interested to see if I can use this with my television as well as my computer, so it'd be nice to be able to sit on the couch and watch YouTube videos and type into the TV screen. And then 7 media keys, and then that ergonomic split design with the built-in wrist rest, which I like. And hey, it looks like we're gonna have an opportunity to use the unboxing knife after all. I don't know if you can see, but there's a couple little plasticky things here. So I'm just going to slide the knife in there, and then we're gonna slide the knife in the other side. And yeah, I just got a new monitor. So now I have two giant monitors on my desk. I'm excited to actually have, this is my first wireless keyboard. I actually bought a couple of different wireless keyboards, and I have videos on my channel, unboxing videos that I did. And I have been happy with, I wasn't happy with either of them. So this is my third attempt at finding a keyboard that I really like a lot. Somebody else also suggested the Logitech keyboard, so I bought that as well. And I'm gonna do an unboxing video of that. And I figure I'm just going to work with both of them for a better part of a couple weeks, and the one that I like the best wins, and I'm going to keep it on my desk. So all right, so let's actually get this out of the box now. Here we go. So that is a little bit all right, yeah, so this looks straightforward enough. So I'm actually going to flip it over and take it off top first instead of having this fall out. And then, okay, interesting packaging. Looks fairly well packaged. Looks like the contents may have shifted a little bit. Like I said, with all that dust on the outside of the box, I'm not really sure what's up with that. So, okay, so here we have optional command keys. Interesting, so you can swap out the keys. And this is I actually, after buying 3 other keyboards, I've learned that this thing inside here, I'll just take it out and show you. This guy is a key remover. So this is actually how you get the keys out, and makes it very easy to, this opens like this. It makes it very easy to get down and pop them out. without breaking them. And then, so here we have a command, an option, a command and an option. Okay, so 2 command, 2 option keys. So that's kind of cool if you want to program some keys to do certain things, like open your favorite applications. Maybe it'll allow you to do that. And so this guy, I was attempted to just pull that out, but this guy lifts up, which is nice. So, okay, so yeah, they were very well packaged, actually. All right, now this. Yeah, so as I said, so I'm a technical writer by trade, and this, I have seen so many funky different types of documents, and this one, I love these pictorial things. So I'm not actually sure what that first picture is doing at all. The second picture is straightforward enough, so that's if you want to go with USB. So 2.4 gigahertz, yeah, so it's telling you to turn on your 2.4 gigahertz network, I'm assuming. And then you gotta love the thumbs up. Speaking of which, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick thumbs up, that would help out my channel a lot. I'd appreciate it. And then, so we have some directions about Bluetooth as well. So, all right, I get it. So we have different paths. So the wireless, the Bluetooth path, and for Windows, and then the Bluetooth path for Mac. So that's straightforward enough. And then look, it's double-sided. Improve repeat issue on Windows. Okay, so probably not the most well-written document. Adjust your computer settings. So yeah, so here's some troubleshooting instructions, and then see how quickly I don't know. So fine. The keyboard itself, I'm encouraged even before taking it out of the box here. It looks a lot like the one that I love from the Microsoft keyboard that is wired, but they do not have a wireless equivalent, because I bought it and it was not the equivalent of the one that I have. And yeah, okay. I think this is it. Finally, the keyboard that I like the look of. I really like the look of. And clackety keys. No, okay. So the keys are not clackety. They have a soft touch to them. And you know, I think I actually like that better than the clackety keys. Nice big keys from my big fat fingers. Yeah, I think the third time is the charm after all. Oh yeah, this also comes in white. I'll leave a link in the description to the keyboard, and then over to Amazon, and then you can actually, if you're interested, you can choose the color that you want right there on the product page. So all right, so that other piece of paper was a quick start guide. And this, well, it looks like it's just a repeat of what we just saw on different pages here, but no, okay. So it shows you how to knock out the switches, and shows you which switches you can swap out if you do opt to go with the option or command switch. And yeah, so this documentation looks fine to me and somewhat helpful. So we have our hotkeys across the top. Yep. And okay, so different languages. So yeah, so it looks good. I'm really excited to start using this keyboard. And like I said, I also bought a keyboard from Logitech. And I'll do a separate unboxing video for, and I will leave a link down in the description to that also. But I am encouraged, and guess what? It looks like the B key is not getting stuck on this one. So cool. Anyhow, if you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind just giving me a quick thumbs up, that really helps out my channel a lot. And if you're into smart home tech or just tech in general, computer tech and electronics and so forth, why not consider subscribing to my channel? I release a video at least one per week. Lately, it's been multiple videos per week. I have a whole bunch more stuff that I'm dying to get out of the box, some really cool electronics and so forth. So consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Hope this was helpful for you. Well, let's get this. There we go, in the center of the parish there. See you in the next one.